Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Well, today's video, I was going to say DIY. Today's video is about 6 future DIY projects that I will be sharing with you all. And this is over a period of time. Each video will be one of the projects. So this is going to be series number 4, DIY future project series number 4. And guys, if you want to see what these 6 projects are going to be, don't go anywhere, stay right where you are. Be back in 2 seconds. So the first project that I'm going to share with you is going to be a footstool. Look, I have it all written down. It's going to be the footstool and storage bin. And I have these blocks right here, which came from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using these, and I already have my 1/2-inch wood, and this wood is from projects where I did the what do you call it, the storage bench, and I showed you guys how I made that for the first time. That's one of my one of the most viewed videos that I have right now, and it's the storage bench. So I'll leave the link to that video in the description. So that is future project number 1, and these videos will not be done in no particular order. I'm just showing you the 6 projects that I have. So the next future project will be this serving tray, which has a glass circle on inside, and I'll be decorating this glass, and I guess I'll be painting over this tray. I'm not sure, but I'll know when I get to this project. Okay, my next project would be the chandelier photo frame. Guys, I have a client who has been buying decorated, customized frames from me, and one of the frames that I made for her, I called it the chandelier photo frame, and I'll put a picture of it in the corner so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is an 11 by 14, and I'll be decorating this and turning it into something really beautiful. The next project that I want to do will be with these ribbons that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I will be doing a side table lamp, and I will also be using some acrylic gems that I'll be using for this particular pattern. Yeah, these things come in different patterns. You have this one, this one here. This is the one I'll be using. This one, this is slightly different than the first one, as you can see. Oops, let me back it up. Oh, and this one I'm using for my statuettes, because I use these for the crowns when I make kings and queens or whatever. Yeah, this will be for the crowns. I only have one. I tried to get a couple of them, but they only had that one. These ribbons must go fast, because every time I go to the store, it's only maybe 1 or 2 left in the box, and they're usually all mangled up and messed up. I also will be doing a makeover. This is a thrift find right here, and this is metal. This part here is metal, and this is pressed wood. It's not real wood, but this is what the back of it looks like. And as you see, I have put tape on it because I was going to start working on it, and I said, save it for sharing your content. The last future project I'll be doing for you guys will be the faux pottery vases. I did a faux pottery vase before. I'll leave the link to that in the description below. But yep, I'll be making up. But this time I'm going a little further with it, and I'll be using these accessories here. I have this clay, molding clay that dries quick. What's it called? Air dry clay. I'll be using that. I have the wooden half circles, different sizes, and I have some rope. So yes, we are going to have some fun with this project. So I believe that was 6 projects I just showed you guys. So it was the faux pottery vases, the footstool, the glamorous bling chandelier photo frame, customized photo frame, the serving tray with the designed glass, and the decorative wall art makeover, and the side table lamp with metal ribbon. So those are my future projects, guys, that I wanted to share with you for you to look forward to, because I look forward to making them or creating these things for you. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning viewer and haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, then tap the notification bell so that when I come up with these future projects, I have 6 of them, you will know. And then like, share, and comment below. Alright guys, and I'll see you in the first future DIY project. Bye-bye. As a side note, guys, as you enjoy this slideshow of my current artwork, I wanted to make the announcement that I am approaching 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and to show my appreciation, once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will come back and do a giveaway. I really appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me. I say it all the time because I mean it, and I really do appreciate you all who do hang in there, make your comments, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. To participate in this giveaway, you must be a subscriber, guys. Stay tuned for the details, which will be in my next DIY video. Bye-bye.